And hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to install a different website on your subdomain. Pretty easy, right? But before going to doing that, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Use a superpower and hit the subscription button so that whenever I make awesome videos like the one you're about to watch, you'll be the first to watch and make more informed decision. By the way, I'm pretty synergy, so let's go get that website installed in your subdomain. Right now that we've created our subdomain, now to install WordPress is easy, right? What we are going to do is that now we go back to our cpanel, right? Then we go down to the software section. Now software section, now you see WordPress here. So let me show you guys the site right now and look at how it looks. So this is our main website. Right now we are going to install another WordPress here. We are going to create another website that look entirely different. We install WordPress on our subdomain to just see that you can have different website on your subdomain. So to just do that, right now we go to our software section. Right now click on WordPress Manager by Locus, then click on install. Right now I want to install a new different WordPress on our website, right, on our domain. So here, so now we have like an installation here. When you click on install, now good. Now very important, right? You see choose installation URL. This is where everything becomes interesting. You see, before now, like when we didn't create our subdomain, right now it was only one here, but if you click on this menu, drop down menu, you see booking.freemafinance.net, right? This is it. Now then we can choose like a theme that we want. So let's choose, maybe since it's just this, let's just choose this theme, and then we click on select and install. So it's as easy as that, guys. So because this is a live website, I wouldn't want to install that, but then that's how to do that. I hope you find this video very interesting and impactful. If you have any issue along the way, don't forget to reach out to me, right? I'll be glad to assist you along the journey. And also don't forget to hit the subscription button, right, so that whenever I make awesome videos like this, you'll be the first person to watch, and also to encourage me, right, so that I'll keep making amazing videos like this. Thank you for watching. I remain Richie Sonaji, and cheers to your web development journey. Bye.